Welcome to Biology Education. In this video, we are going to see the third part of the train topic. At very first, we have first question like two buses start from a bus terminal with a speed of 20 km per hour at interval of 10 minutes. So buses are with speed 20 km per hour and they are starting like if one bus is moved, then the next bus will be in the 10 minutes. So this is the meaning of that. A man went in first bus and coming back for the second bus at the time of second bus starts. If he meets the second bus at 8 minutes after it starts, then find the speed of the man. So we need to find the speed of the man. So I will show you the animation for your better understanding. Let this is a bus terminal, let it be. So first bus will be started and moved with the distance of 10 minutes. So it traveled in 10 minutes. Suppose he reached here, the bus is reached here. The next bus will be starts from here. The bus 2 will be starts. Like bus 1 will be reach here and moving. Like the two buses are there at 0 time, let it be at 0 time, the two buses will be there, let it be a bus 1. So bus 1 is, the man is stepped in this bus, the man is going in the bus 1 and after of 10 minutes, in the time of the second bus starts, so the man is left from the bus 1 and coming towards the second bus which is coming towards this, like this is a bus moving like this. So he meets this bus at 8 minutes. He meets this bus at the time of 8 minutes. Now let us find the things like this. Like the speed of the bus is given. The bus speeds are given as 20 km in 1 hour. Is nothing but 20 kilometers in 60 minutes. 23 is 1 km in 3 minutes. Now in 1 minute it is like 1 by 3 kilometers. Now for the 10 minutes it is like 10 by 3 kilometers. So this is the distance is like, so from here to this point it is a distance like 10 by 3 kilometers. Again we need to find, so if he meet the bus after of 8 minutes, so the man is walked towards the bus and the bus coming towards the man, so they meet after the 8 minutes. So now the bus is travel for the 8 minutes, the bus 2 is travel for the 8 minutes and the man also travel for 8 minutes but in the two different speeds. Now this is the bus with this of speed like 20 km per hour. So for the 8 minutes it is going to travel like 8 by 3 kilometers. So in the 8 minutes it is going to travel like 8 by 3 kilometers. So here to here it is like 8 by 3 kilometers. Now the leftover kilometers is 2 by 3 kilometers. Like 8 by 3 kilometers is traveled by the bus and the 2 by 3 kilometers is covered by the man in the opposite direction. Now 2 by 3 kilometers is traveled in 8 minutes. So we need to convert this minutes to hours, then we will get the speed of the man. Like speed is formed as distance by time, you all know. So the distance is 2 by 3 kilometers. It is in the format of kilometers only. Now the time is in 8 minutes. So we need to convert to the hours. So if we need to convert to it to hour means here we need to multiply above with 60, then it is going to convert the minutes to hours. So if we simplify this, we are going to get like, we got the value as the 5 km per hour which is the speed of the man. So man speed is which is 5 km per hour. Like with 5 km per hour is moving this direction, the bus is coming with the 20 km per hour. So after of 8 minutes they are going to meet like this. So means the speed of the man we got as 5 km per hour. So which is in the option A. Now let us move to the next question. The next question is like a train after traveling for 60 kilometers meets with an accident and then proceeds at 2 by 3 of its form speed and arrives at its destination by 40 minutes late. So let us draw a reference for this. Like after of 60 kilometers, the train meets with an accident Now, so after this it is moved with then 2 by 3 of his initial speed. So 2 by 3 of initial speed means let 3 is initial speed means after that, after an accident it is going moving with 2 speed, like initial speed is 3x and the after meet an accident the next speed is 2x. So initially it is moved like 3x speed and after 2x speed, and if this so with this 2x speed then it is led by 40 minutes. If the accident occurred 30 km further, so after of 30 km further means 60 km plus the 30 km, if this occurred then it would be reached the destination only 20 minutes late. So after 30 minutes if it's the accident will be occur, then it is going to reach the destination with 20 minutes late only. So up to here it is moving like 3x speed, then after it is moving like 2x speed. This is the meaning of like. So such a type of questions I have explained here 3 methods in my previous video, you all know I think. So in that video the method 3 is speed and time ratios, like ratios of speed and time, like whatever the speed is will be here will be come to here, and whatever the ratio here will be come to here. So let us take this as first condition, this as second condition. The only difference we are going to get like is in between this. So in between this there is a difference. So the difference from here to here in this two condition only 20 minutes is the difference. Like now in the first condition, like it is the first condition, it is the second condition. In the first condition this 30 kilometers is moving with the 2x speed, like it is moving 2x speed, and then in the second condition it is moving like 3x speed. So here it is moving like 2x speed, here it is moving like 3x speed. Now the ratio of this is like 2:3. So whatever the ratio will be get here and whatever the ratio here will be get here, because speed is inversely proportional to time. So I have taken this. So 3:2 will be this. So this is the one ratio, this is the one ratio which is equals to the difference of this, like the difference of this is 20 minutes. So if we need to convert to hours means here when we divide with 60 will be convert to hours, like 1/3 hours, the ratio 1 which is equals to 1/3 hours. For the ratio 3 if you multiply with 1/3 hours it is like 1 hour. So now again apply the same DST method, DST. So we have speed, we have time, and we have distance. Like distance, speed is equals to distance by time. Distance is here is 30 kilometer. The time we got as 1 hour. Now the speed is here we got as 2x. So actual the speed is 2x. For this, if we simplify this, we are going to get the value of x as 15 km per 1 hour. Now we need to find the initial speed of the train. The initial speed of the train is 3x. We find only 1x. For the 3x it is like 45 km per hour, like 45 km per hour, which is in the option A. So this is the method, like we have used the method 3. So with the method 2 also we can find, like I will show you. Now let us see the method 2. The method 2 is like we have used one clock. So it is a clock with the reference of the minutes clock. So here the initial with the first condition it is led by the 40 minutes. So 40 minutes means here it will get the point. So here you will get the point. Now in the second condition it is led by 20 minutes. So here you will get the clock. So the difference of this is 20 minutes. Now the difference in the time will be equals to the 20 minutes, like the condition like time 1 difference, the time 1 and the time 2 difference which is equals to the 20 minutes. We need to convert to hours, like 20/60. So time is formed as distance by speed, distance by speed, distance by speed. It is the first condition, it is the first condition, it is for second condition, it is for second condition. In the both the conditions we have the distance as 30 kilometers only. So 30 kilometer by initially the speed is like initially in the first condition the speed is 2x, and in the second condition the speed is 3x. The distance will be same 30, 20/60. If you simplify this you will get the x as like 15 km by 1 hour. For the 3x, we will get the 45 km per 1 hour. So this is also you can use the method 3, method 2. By using method 1 also we will get the answer. So if you not seen my previous video, please watch that. So that will be make easy. We have discussed many of the methods to solve one type of question. Before going to see the next question, please do a like to my video and subscribe my channel. Now our last question in this video is like, Mohit walked 9 kilometers to reach the metro station. So Mohit walked 9 kilometers to reach the metro station. So here it is the metro station. After that, by the metro train whose average speed is 66 km per hour. So after that he is stepped into the metro train. So by here he reached to metro station by the walk, and after that he is moving with the metro train, and thus he reached his office. So with this metro train he reaching to the office in 3 hours. So entire the duration is 3 hours, it is a meaning like, and thus he reached his office in 3 hours. To reach this office, it taking entirely 3 hours. So the duration is 3 hours. If the average speed of entire journey was 47 km per hour, find the average speed of the walking. So he given that the average speed of the entire journey is like 47 km per hour, means now for the 3 hours is going to cover the total distance as like 47 into 3 kilometer in 3 hours. So if you do so, like 47 into 3, which is like 141 kilometers. Now the entire distance we got as 141 kilometers, which is equals to 141 kilometers. So in that he walked the 9 kilometers. So in the 141 kilometers he walked 9 kilometers, means now the leftover kilometers is 132. So in this 141 kilometers, he walked 9 kilometers. Now in the leftover kilometers in this 141, which is like 132 kilometers, with is going to travel with the metro train, which is the speed of 66 km per hour. So if it is a 66 km per hour, means for the 132 kilometers is going to reach in the time of like 132 divided by 66, which is like 2 hours. So he is going to reach, so he completing this journey width of 2 hours. Now this is of with like 1 hour, like this the entire journey is taking 3 hours, means in this it took the 2 hours for the metro train, means in the 1 hour is for the walking. Now finally we need to find the average speed of the walking. So 9 kilometers is going to walk in the 1 hour, means the speed of the man is 9 km per hour. So which is in the option D. Again let us solve this by the average speed formula. The average speed formula as total distance by total time taken. Now the average speed, it is given like 47 km per hour. Now the total distance is S. So if it is of with 3 hours with this average speed, then the total distance is 47 into 3, which is nothing but 141 is the total distance. Now the total time taken is 3 hours, but we need to take like this, like time taken by the walk and the time taken by the train, like the metro train. So the time taken by the metro train is, so if it is of moving with 66 kilometers, then in the 141 kilometers the leftover kilometers is 132 kilometers. So if it is moving with 66 km per hour, means to cover this 132 kilometers it is taking like 2 hours. Now the time taken by the time taken to cover this 9 kilometers, let it be TW, like TW plus 2, which is equals to, if you simplify this, we are going to get the TW as, so we got the TW as 1 hour. So TW, which is the reference of the time taken by the walk. So if it is, now the speed is defined as distance by time. Now for the 9 kilometers it is time taken by 1 hour. So 9 kilometers by 1 hour, the speed is like 9 km per hour. So this is how also you can get the answer. So if you really like the video, please do a like and support by subscribing.